What's up everybody, GDT here with another video that I haven't done in a while, but back to the question and answer series. This week the question comes from MyBiz5975. He says, hey GDT, can you do a video on how you select your swing trades? So, no problem MyBiz, let's get into it. Alright guys, thank you MyBiz for the question. There's a few ways, but really just one main way that I select my swing trades each and every week. A couple different things. If I see something throughout the week when I'm day trading, I just happen to notice a daily chart or something like that, I'll write it down and I'll go from there. But the main thing I do is I use FinViz. Completely free website to use, great tool for finding swing trading setups. And all I do is once I go to finviz.com, I go to their screener. The first thing I do is I change the price of the stock. As you guys probably know, get that out of here. They do have some ads on there that'll pop up because it's a free version. All right, but as you guys probably know, I like stocks over $10. So that's going to be my first filter that I use. I'm then going to go over to technical, and I'm going to choose 52-week high-low, and I want 0 to 3% below the highs. That's normally the breakout pattern that I'm looking for. I'm looking for that next stock that's going to break up, bust through the recent highs, and keep going further. That's the play that you guys see me take the majority of the time. Not all the times, but the majority of the time. So that brings us down to about 50 pages, right? So that's way too many stocks to go through. So the next thing I will go is I will go to pattern, and I will choose one of these patterns. I generally start with horizontal strong, and now we're down to 3 pages, okay? And I'll go through each of those patterns until I find a nice set of stocks that I like. So once I have my 3 parameters set up, I'll then just scroll over each stock, and you'll see that this mini chart pops up right above my head here. This mini chart pops up. I'll take a quick look at the chart. I'll see if there's any kind of technical pattern in it that I like. So ACV looks like it's going to continue up, but I don't see any great technical pattern right off the bat. And I'll just do this. I will scroll right through each and every stock that pops up. BKE, if it wasn't so extended recently, you can see it probably would have been great over 24, maybe over that 25.60, but we'll look and see if we could find something better. CACI. This one looks interesting. So we could see we've got, once I see a pattern there on the mini chart, I'll click and expand it. I'll get some more information on what exactly the stock is and a little bit bigger of a chart. So we could see obvious uptrend here in CACI, and it looks to me like we're making a bit of a bull flag here on the daily chart. So then what I will do is I will bring in my TD Ameritrade Thinkorswim charts. I will go into CACI, and I'll take a better look at the chart here. Alright, so we've got the upswing, we've got the big pop here, and a bull flag forming right here at 165 it looks like, with a stop loss of under 162 according to the pattern. So I'll then go, according to my 3% rule, 165 times 0.03 is a 5-point stop loss. So for 3%, it would have to come all the way down under 160. So in my opinion, CACI looks pretty good. It's got a nice pattern forming here. Technical stop loss is well under that 3% mark, and then it's even got a strong support line there at that actual 3% stop loss. So I actually haven't even started my swing trading video yet this week, but CACI probably going to be one of my main candidates because it looks pretty good. All right, so I will then write that down on my little pad of paper over here as one of my candidates. I'll go back, and I'll continue looking through. Once the ad disappears, I'll continue scrolling through and looking at all the different charts. So your CFR, that one could be interesting. That's a financial bank. And that's the great part too, is that you can initially see what type of stock it is. So a lot of times there'll be an ETF or something popping up here, and I'll ignore those. I want something that's an actual stock. Okay. So you can see a couple that would have been good plays in the past, like here CTS over $30 would have been great. And I actually think, yeah, we had CTS. I don't know if I can show you this or not, if it'll pop up. It's very unorganized. But a couple weeks ago, we had CTS over $30 right there. Obviously, that one looks like it did pretty well there on CTS. So I'll go through, I'll find 4 candidates, and we'll make my watch list from there. I'll come up with the one I think's the best. That'll be the one that I start watching immediately when the week starts. You know, there's a few pages of these, okay? So if I don't find 4 immediately in the right one, I'll just go and I'll change the indicator, right? So that was horizontal strong. So horizontal strong I like because generally that means there's that horizontal going across the top, which means a bull flag a lot of the times. And I love bull flags for swing trades, okay? There's all kinds of different ones. You can go channel up strong, and you'll get a whole different list of ones that pop up. Some of them will be the same, but for the most part, you'll get different ones, right? So a whole different list here of stocks that we can take a look at, and we'll just scroll through. We'll find the ones that look the best, and then we'll look into them further. So I'm not going to sit here and go through each and every stock this week. I'm going to make another video later on today for my actual swing trading weekly video, but just wanted to do this quick question and answer video from MyBiz, who asked how I find my swing trades. So hope this helped you a little bit, MyBiz, and hope it helped everybody else. If you guys got any questions about it, let me know down in the comments below, and I'll see you later.